Boom, we finna get right into it. Here's my 615 wig. I'm showing y'all how yellow it looks. Since I have the foam head, I had to get bobby pins to hold the wig down. So it's 3 in the front and there's 1 in the back. Okay, so you need the Revlon number 57 for the frontal piece only. And then I'm showing you that you'll need the Wella, the T18 for the rest of the hair. So now I'm showing you that you only need to do the frontal part of the wig. And if you want to dye some hair, don't do it in clothes that you want to wear again, okay? Because, listen, I got some dye on brand new clothes that I had just bought, and I was mad. So anyways, yes, section that real small before putting the dye on. So this is what the box of the Revlon looks like. Chocolate. And this is the result after it's washed out. And I did different lighting. So now you want to get your Wella. And you want to get your developer, mix it up, and it should turn purple once it's all mixed up. And so this is me pretending to pluck out the hairs because I had already did it because the videos was just getting on my nerves. And this is the result you should get for your baby hairs if you'd like some baby hairs. Okay, so here's my cap. As you can see, I tucked it under my ears so that it can stay in place. And this is the glue I use. And now I'm showing you guys that I did it in 3 sections. My first time doing it in 3 sections. It was a little complicated. It's supposed to be easier though. I'm going to plug in a picture right here to show you guys what glue I used. And you don't want to put too much. You just want to get it right on the cap and right on your skin. And rub it in and let it dry. Blow, blow, blow. Okay, so I think I was pretending right here again. But you want to comb it in once you put the wig on. And this is the halfway flat iron look. And this is the full flat iron look. And again, don't do the edges before doing the lace. Because I messed that part out. So that's why it kind of looks a little raggedy. And this is the final results. The hair was beautiful. It didn't last long. But it looks beautiful for what I needed it for. And that's on period. And that's on bye.